leptin and ghrelin. These are two hormones that seem to work hand in hand. Leptin is the body's satiety hormone. It makes us feel satiated or full. And ghrelin is the body's hunger hormone. It's what we release when we're craving food or we need a replenishment of energy. Now, on a night where we're well rested, our leptin and ghrelin levels will be somewhat normal compared to nights where we're sleep deprived. So it's not just about how hungry or how full we are, though there is something there. It's also more about the choices that we make when we're craving satiation, especially in terms of energy levels. I'll go a little bit more into that later. But on a night where we're sleep deprived, we are going to crave different sources of energy, and usually not the best kinds of energy. In general, though, on a night where we're sleep deprived, our leptin levels will be less sensitive, which means that we will feel less satiated, and so we will crave more food, specifically food that is a little bit more energy dense, i.e. sugar and fat. And our ghrelin levels are going to be higher, meaning that we're going to feel more hungry and it's going to take longer to satiate us. In general, we tend to, on days where we're sleep deprived, we tend to eat 200, 300, 400, 500, if not more, calories just to make up for that loss in energy while sleeping. So the question here is, on days where you're not very well slept, why is it that you make poor food choices? Knowing full well that this isn't as healthy as that, why is it that we still demand certain foods? It could be, I don't know, potato chips, soda, pizza, you know, the usual suspects, right? An experiment was done at Stanford looking at the relationship between leptin levels and choices. So you take a group of people, and they obviously have their own definitions of what kinds of food are healthy and what kinds of food are unhealthy. And on nights where they've slept well, on days where they've slept well, when you invite them to a buffet and they have all of these choices, some healthy, some unhealthy choices, what we find is that they will choose options that are more healthy. However, the same group of people and the same items on the buffet, on nights, on days where they are sleep deprived, they're gonna make different choices. In fact, they're gonna choose the choices which they know full well to be less healthy. And they're gonna be unable to describe why. It's just a craving, I just wanted that. It tends to be the things which are higher in sugar and higher in fat, because leptin, when we're sleep deprived, leptin seems to want more energy from food, and therefore the choices tend to be foods that are higher in things which provide energy but may not be the best for us.